Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you 5 useful apps for students. So if you are a student, then you can use these apps to increase your productivity. So without wasting your time, let's get started. The first app I want to show you is called Evernote. Evernote is considered one of the best note-taking apps available. It has tons of features and is compatible with almost every smartphone and computer. The app allows users to scribble down notes in it appear like interface or just type in characters. It can also capture photographs and record voice memos stored in its cloud service. It also allows multiple platform real-time access through all your devices. So as you can see here, this is the home screen of Evernote. You can type and record anything here. You can create notes and you can add a new note here. And then there is the shortcut section where you can add your shortcuts, and then you can open your recent notes, and inside this notes section you can add your daily notes and your reading list, etc. And then there is the task section where you can add your daily tasks, and then you can perform them one by one, but you have to upgrade your plan for using this task section. And then you can also explore some other options as well. Alright, the second app which I want to show you is called MyHomework. MyHomework is a student planner app. MyHomework serves as a student planner and can be your ultimate university companion. It gives you a calendar where you can mark your important appointments, upcoming examinations, and deadlines. There is a homework section for your assignments and projects. You can also encode your class schedules and grades to track your progress. Being a digital organizer, it alerts you of your upcoming class schedules and deadlines. And then you can see this is the home section of my homework. If you want to add classes, homework, or notes, then you can just simply clicking on plus icon, you can add your class name, then you can schedule the class date, time, the starting time, end time, your building, room, teacher, class color, and other info as well. And then you can click on save and add class times. Then there is the calendar section. Inside this calendar section, you can manage your daily tasks and you can see your calendar, and you can add your upcoming events in the calendar. Then there is the homework section where you can add your homework and your upcoming events as well. Then you can also check out these other options, for example, teachers and announcements. You can check that out. All right, our third app is called Go Conquer. Go Conquer app is an amazing app which you can use to access great learning resources like mind maps, flashcards, quizzes, slides, and notes. I use the Go Conquer app for social learning and connect and collaborate with friends, classmates, and learners in groups. Once you will create an account on Go Conquer, it will ask you to choose these options. All right, then it will ask you what subjects are you studying. Then you can select your subjects, for example, English, arts, astronomy, biology, etc. I'm studying these subjects. You can also add a profile subject as well. Then click on next step, and then you are good to go. Now this is your dashboard. You can add your subject. You can create a new subject. The amazing thing about Go Conquer is you can add resources according to the subjects inside the subject. For example, this is the art subject. You can add your resources here inside this section, and if you want to add the biology resources, you can add it here. And then you can see your activity where you can see the protein section and other sections. If can't find anything, then you can click on an icon, and then you can create your own content. And there are some other suggested groups that you can add to your profile. Then there is the courses section where you can create courses, you can enroll in the courses. And then there's the group section where you can join public groups, private groups. Then you can study inside the group with your team members. And then there is smart shares where you can share your resources and links with your class fellows as well. Our fourth app is called Pocket. So Pocket is an interesting application used to save articles, web pages, and videos for later reading or reviewing. It's available for major smartphone platforms, iOS and Android and PCs as well. Just like the Evernote app, it also syncs files across all your devices at once. It can also save articles and web pages for offline reading as well. So as you can see, this is the home section of Pocket where you can add and save your links. You can add your list. Here you can see there are many other articles available here. You can read them, you can save them, and you can also discover new topics. And inside this collection you can and add the articles to your home section by just clicking on save to my list. You can save this to your list, and then now you can read this article. All right, our fifth and last but not the least app is called MathWay. So MathWay is for students who are likely to encounter number crunching and other mathematical equations during their studies. MathWay is one of the best student apps for not only helping you solve problems but also understanding how you can get to the solution. So let me show you how you can use MathWay by just clicking here. Now you can add any number, for example 5 divided by 8 and then divided by 10. Now just press enter and here it will calculate the answer for you. You can see there are also many other options like basic math, pre-algebra, algebra, trigonometry, pre-calculus, calculus, statics, finite math, linear algebra, chemistry, physics, and graphing, etc. You can explore all of these options, and this will enhance your learning and obviously save you a lot of time while studying. So these are the best productivity apps that you can use today to increase your productivity, and you can stay focused by using these apps. And if you don't understand what is MathWave, you can just click on tab to view tutorial and then you can watch the tutorial. All right, that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Kindly like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. See you in the next video.